Hello Mango, I'm here in a beautiful cottage in Connecticut, ready to shoot for our 7 days Radiant Rise Pilates for Prosperity February challenge. This is gonna be exclusive, but it's gonna be amazing with the views. I'm just amazed by how it's so beautiful here in the winter. I think it's a very good little time to get out of the city and get all the nature around you. That definitely boosts my creativity and my mental so much. So I want to share it with you guys because I feel like that's gonna be the best thing for us to share together, and I know that you can feel it through our videos. So let's enjoy the beautiful views. Here it is, and this is gonna be super special because it is designed for all of us who both beginners and seasonal practice. And this is belong to the exclusive series that we are going to share every month on the Mango Tribe. So become a Mango Crush member today in order to access this series and join into the journey with us. I put the link in the description box, or you can also go to the main channel and click on join to become a member. And now if you're ready, let's take some time today just for some breathing and meditation, just to get ourselves prepared the best for day one tomorrow. Let's take a moment to ground ourselves and set our intentions. Let's find a comfortable seated position, either on your Pilates mat or a chair. Allow your hands to rest gently on your knees, palms facing up, ready to receive the energy of our practice. Close your eyes and take a deep cleansing breath in through your nose, feeling your chest and belly expand. Exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension or worries. As we sit here together, let's reflect on the week ahead. This series is not just about physical transformation, it's about cultivating inner strength, resilience, and prosperity. Imagine each day of practice as a step on your journey toward a more balanced and vibrant self. With every breath and movement, you're building a foundation of awareness, strength, and grace. Now I invite you to think about what prosperity means to you. It could be physical health, mental clarity, emotional balance, or perhaps a sense of achievement. Picture yourself embodying this prosperity, feeling strong, centered, and radiant. Hold this image in your mind as you breathe deeply, infusing your intention with each inhale and solidifying your commitment with each exhale. As we conclude this meditation, gently bring your hands together in front of your heart, sealing in your intentions. Take one more deep breath, filling yourself with gratitude and readiness for the journey ahead. Slowly open your eyes, feeling refreshed, focused, and aligned with your purpose. And thank you for joining me today as you move through this series. Remember your intentions and let them guide you towards prosperity and growth. I look forward to our journey together.